Recently, the water in Lona Crater Lake in the Buldana district of Maharashtra was found to be turning pinkish over the past few days. All experts, locals, scientists were considerably surprised when the lake's normal bluish green water turned into pinkish red. This is a recent video clip of Lona Lake. You can see the pink color water. Wait, this is not any Photoshop trick, this is reality. From this video clip, you can see the original color of Lona Lake. It was greenish few days back, and suddenly water in the Lona Lake turns to pink. All experts are finding the reasons behind it. See this video till the end. I will explain what are the opinions of experts. Also, I will explain our findings about the change of the color.
These are the satellite images of Lona Lake of 25th May and 10th June. You can see the difference.
Let us first know about the brief history of this lake. Lona Lake, also known as Lona Crater, is notified National Geoheritage Monument, Saline Soda Lake, located at Lonar in Maharashtra. It is 600 kilometers from Mumbai and 160 kilometers from Aurangabad. Do you know the fact that there are billions of meteoroids travel in galaxy? Approximately 50,000 years ago, a meteoroid traveling at about 11 miles per second hit the earth. That meteoroid slammed into India's Deccan Plateau. That collision formed Lona Lake. This is the world's third largest crater formed due to a meteoroid strike. It is one of 4 known hypervelocity impact craters in basaltic rock anywhere on the earth. The lake has a mean diameter of 1.2 km and almost its depth is 500 feet. It is located inside the Lonar Sanctuary and is a National Geoheritage Site and attracts a large number of tourists every year. Lona Lake is rimmed by lush forests and smattering of old temples. As I told you, the water in lake is both saline and alkaline. Normally, its pH values lies between 10 to 12. You can see this practical demonstration on screen. Soil of Lona Lake has a lot of iron. Watch this demo on the screen. Supposedly, compasses fail to work near some parts of crater because of its unique geological makeup. Now, what happened in the last week? Why water of the lake turns to pink? See, water of Lona Lake is home to horde of algae and plankton species that thrive in its unusual ecosystem and give the water its vibrant color. Generally are green in color, so they give the water the greenish color. The amount of water in the lake has been reduced in summer and the lake has been shallower, so the salinity has gone up. Water of Lona Lake has become highly alkaline. Due to lockdown, there has no disturbance to the lake. Almost area has become completely pollution free, so there was a rapid growth in algae formation. Scientists of NCL Pune said that pigmentation of algae in laboratories changes to pink because all the labs are generally pollution free. You can see that on screen. So due to increase in salinity, rapid growth in algae and pollution-free water due to lockdown may be the reason behind this change in the color of water. After lockdown or pandemic is over, you can visit this inherited geoheritage site of India. This is worth visit place once in lifetime. If you guys liked my video, do like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.